Right now is the worst possible time to do this, the worst possible time to mess up your chances for the rest of this market cycle. Now, people can always do what they want, but I'm seeing a lot of negative articles out there. I'm seeing a lot of fear and uncertainty in these times where, frankly, the market is just kind of blah. There's not a whole lot going on. For example, today, another red day across the market, SHIB coming back down, retesting the top of its trend here, seeing if it can frankly confirm its breakout. That's why I said yesterday, I'm not getting too excited about this yet. We got to be patient, and really SHIB's got to start taking some stabs to the upside. But really what we're doing is we're just kind of following everything else right now. BTC still just kind of sitting mid-trend, not making much headway one direction or the other, not a lot of news flowing around. And frankly, we're seeing these articles about Shiba Inu, 390 billion in SHIB in 24 hours, new Shiba Inu anti-record, 880 billion SHIB in 24 hours, major bleed for Shiba Inu, right? Just this trying to basically thrust fear into the market, trying to create selling, trying to create more capitulation. And frankly, don't fall for it. Don't fall for these people trying to spread fear. Know what you hold. Have conviction in your assets. When I look at Shiba Inu now from even when we were at 4045, really not much has changed. All right. And that might sound weird. Obviously, price is lower, but I really want you to think about fundamentals. What has really changed since that point? Whales have actually accumulated more. It really started in April because they did take some profit. There were some ones that sold, especially there was a couple big ones that sold. But from April through now, they have been in accumulation mode. Whales haven't gone anywhere. Specifically, what this is talking about is actually a drop in the large whale transactions and them leaving and all these things. And that's not the case. Whales have been, frankly, accumulating. They've been building their position while, frankly, they've been given the gift of low prices. We also look at that exchange supply, right? That we talk about time and time again. I mean, that trend has been very consistent, still just down and to the right. We had a little spike actually on the 17th, but then we've still dropped and continued to go further down. So we're now at the lowest amount of supply on SHIB exchange in ever, basically, right? Since we first got listed on big exchanges. Right now, the retail sentiment throughout the market just frankly isn't that great. It's the reason why we're not getting pumps. But I'll tell you this, all the signs right now and all the metrics, they're conducive for a big pump, not just for Shiba Inu, but across the overall crypto market. There are some very specific things I'm watching. You guys should check out my video I did yesterday about this. There's some specific things I'm watching in the crypto market, like the US dollar index. I'm watching the Bitcoin dominance. Obviously, I'm watching there's something else I'm watching too. I'll have to go back and look, but you guys get the point. This is the time where we're kind of gearing up for that banana zone that we talk about time and time again, where the market just goes on a rip-roaring run to the upside. And frankly, there are a lot of people right now that are going to do the final capitulation and dump their bag and just call it quits. I've seen it in actually some lower cap coins that I'm in right now. Some people selling right before the market begins to get a little wild. I think in about a month's time, guys, we're going to be talking a very different story. Whether we take off, sometime very shortly here, like this week, next week, whenever, I believe a month from now is either going to be the point where things are triggered or we're already on our way, where we're making some of these more significant movements to the upside. The market just frankly as a whole needs to calm down a little bit. People need to stop freaking out. And we're kind of settling into this nice layer where the market is a lot less fearful. When we are not getting negative news, when we're not getting our heads dumped on time and time again, it allows the market to take a deep breath and start its bounce back. That's what Shiba Inu is waiting for. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.